Hello, everyone. This is Alex. Alex has a box. It is a big box. Alex is curious. He opens the box and looks inside. Alex is surprised. It is an AI robot. Alex is excited. He takes the robot and turns it on. The robot wakes up.
Hello, my name is Nova. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from France.
Do you like France?
Yes, I like France. It is a beautiful country.
What do you do?
I am an engineer.
That's great.
Yes, I like my job.
What do you like to do?
I like drawing.
Oh, nice.
I love drawing. These are my drawings.
Nice. What else do you like?
I play chess. Chess is fun.
That's interesting. What do you build?
I build things. I am an engineer.
Wow, you are interesting.
Thank you.
I am happy.
I am happy too.
Do you want to learn English?
Yes, I want to learn English.
Let's learn together.
Thank you for listening. This is a new channel, so please subscribe to support us. See you in the next video.